helping a customer. Notice not my cousin Prelude that's in the race video. Just changed this alternator. Bought a BR rev limiter I'm about to install for him. Hi, little Prelude. He want to make some noise, so we gonna help him out. Now how we do. All right, let's get back to work. All right, got the BR hooked up for him. Not completely done. Gotta obviously do some cleanup, put everything back. But just to show you how it works. Let me show you how I did this real quick. We're gonna keep it simple. This is a OBD2A, if I'm not mistaken, BB6 Prelude. See the blank spot here. All right, we're only using this A connector. That's it. 4 wires coming off of this thing. Really 5, but 4 we need to hook up to the computer. Obviously, power source. Positive, negative. You could use A11, A10 and A11. Or A23 and A24, which A11 and A10 and A23 are both ground negative, and A11 and A24 are both positive 12-volt source. Then you have the ICM, which is this yellow and green wire. Real quick. Coming out of here. If I'm not mistaken, this is, I think that's A14 if I'm not mistaken. If I'm wrong, I'll put it on the screen correctly. But what you're doing from the BR, you're gonna take the yellow and feed it coming out the ECU A14, and then the other end that will be going to the distributor, you'll feed that the green wire. So pretty much what the BR is doing is just tapping in between this one line. So green out the distributor where it would have connected here, you hook up the other end of yellow from the BR. So it's really simple. It's just all these words and shit in Japanese, nobody's gonna understand it. So if anybody looking for future reference, here you go, and good luck. The red one is the main driving limiter. This one is the 2-step e-brake limiter. This is how hard it's gonna spit. All right. So where you want the 2-step at?
Like 3 or 4.
Go ahead. Higher? You want higher?
Yeah.
No higher.
That was like 4 feet at least.
No higher. No higher than that.
Go ahead, do it.
I want it faster though.
That fast, faster. Huh? You had it floored?
Floor it?
Did you have it floored?
No.
Floored. Alright. You want it to spit faster. You want it to spit faster? Go ahead, try it. Like that?
Yeah, any of those are nice.
You sure? I want to make sure you're good.
I want the. If I keep doing it like this,
do it like that again.
Is this bad?
Yeah, it's good right now. What?
Huh?
Right there is good.
So don't mess with that.
Yeah, leave it.
Isn't I can move around like that, right?
Yeah, you Velcro it, like you know what Velcro is, right? Velcro it and stick it on the cardboard. Yeah, that's just way louder than mine. My shit ain't that loud.
Yeah, well, take out my chance. Hey, what you doing? Yeah, I'm passing.
That's the size of my turbo.
You said what?
That's the size of my turbo.
Pop your hood real quick. You said KO4? KO4 ain't this big. This is 6062. A KO4 is a stock Audi turbo. How you know the turbo's what? I didn't know the turbo's not. It's in the back. Yeah, bro. KO4 is like this big, bro. Don't let nobody fool you. Here, hold this.
Facing which way?
The camera's here. Just aim it at.
Oh, you got 2 separate?
Alright,
Go ahead, Justin.
My ears. My ears. I was flinching so bad.
Till next time, bro. Holla at me. Ask him about me. Check my YouTube. Whenever the fuck you want to do something to your shit, that shit need bags on it, man. Go get the bags, man. Go get the bags, man. I want to see this shit on the floor next time. That shit better be cambered out, too.